sex redde Danmarks fremtid? Her er Emma. Hun er dansker, men selvom hun er født og opvokset i Danmark, er hun undfanget i Paris.
A travel company from Denmark is hoping to sell vacations by offering an ovulation discount and awarding couples who can prove they conceived on the trip 3 years of baby supplies. The company plays off of Denmark's low fertility rate.
Deltag i konkurrencen. Do it for Denmark.
I think it speaks to a certain impulse that people do want to be having kids, which is a positive thing, and they're not for whatever reason. So that is worth further examination for sure.
For those in Vancouver, the reasons not to have more children include money.
We only have a 2-bedroom.
Not finding the right partner, or career ambitions. But for others,
there are too many people on this planet.
Though outdated and untrue, this perspective is tough to change.
A man on the street will not likely be aware of the fact that that is a myth at this point. The idea of overpopulation is a myth.
Even in the developing world, birth rates are declining, with just a handful of countries seeing families with more than 4 children. Canada's birth rate is well below replacement and has been since the 70s. But just because people aren't having more children doesn't mean they don't want them. A World Values study found that Canadians' ideal number of children is between 2 and 3. That's nearly double of the current birth rate.
Certainly when we look at the country, people at the Ministry of Finance are going to be definitely concerned about the fact that we don't have a tax base. We have a social welfare net in this country that is very large and well established, and it depends on tax dollars being paid. So when we don't have people coming into the system, so to speak, then certainly there's room for concern.
If you can, it's always good to have kids.
I think have as many as you want.
And that seemingly elusive dream for larger families is something advertisers are tapping into.
Og en børnevenlig ferie.
Still, not everyone is convinced.
One's good for me.
Even though they may not cause an immediate baby boom, these ads do get people talking about babies and our aging population. And that's a good thing. I'm Addis Levinsky, and this has been a Sun News Special Report.